Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can download apps larger than 200 megabytes over cellular data on your iPhone 13 series running iOS 15. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on App Store. Then in Cellular Data, tap on App Download. And then in here, you can choose Always Allowed or Ask if over 200 megabyte or Always Ask. So you can select Ask if over 200 megabyte, or you can set it to Allow so that it will always allow apps to download automatically using cellular data. You can also at the top here tap on Automatic Downloads, tap on the switch to turn on so that your app can download through cellular data. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.